Heyitahola nganizakwethu siyanibingelela ke kolunye uhlelo lwingqayizivele. This is Devon Network. I am your host uSabelo umfowandabase. Namhlanje ngiphethe indoda elwa nobugebengu. Umavela umfoka Manganyi the comeback, right?
Showcase.
Mfowethu kuningi esizokhuluma namhlanje.
Yeah.
We're going to unpack a lot today. But then nje esifisa ukuqala ngako mfethu, you one of the selected few who have visited iZambesi building that is in Joburg, where DJ Warras, or the late DJ Warras, was gunned down. Asixoxele ngohambo lakho lokuya lapha ya.
Yeah. You know something about me, ne?
Mhm.
Especially in Joburg.
Yes.
I'm considered to being one of the most fearless guys.
Wow.
You understand?
Mhm.
And if you check the South African youth, manch,
Yes.
they are very vocal.
Mhm.
But 90% of the same people that are vocal
Yes.
are keyboard warriors.
Bakhuluma ngale move.
Yeah, behind their smartphones. Abeko vocal.
Mhm.
They are not ground forces.
Jeez.
You understand? How many people in South Africa said we do not die but we multiply?
So much. So many.
But who took to the streets
Very few.
to fight the DJ Warris thing?
Very few.
Not even a few. I'm the only one. You must be specific, Chief. I'm the only one. You understand? So I was like, man. We are not angry enough. Isn't it? That is what you always say. We need to be angry enough to tackle issues like South Africa. We are not going to surrender to criminals, period. Yeah.
Phelela lapho nje.
Phelela lapho.
Nafika ke lapha ya kwenzakalani uboneni izinje into wazibona.
Okay, so the first time I went kulela Biliti Lilia,
Yes.
I was with some few of my guys now. When we got there, I just wanted to see Miyabon, because we've always watched the story ever since DJ Warris has been unalive lapha. So I wanted to see the landscape of Lela building.
Yeah.
And get more feedback from the people that are there. Ukuthi kahle kahle kuyenzakaleni lapha, because it seems like ISABS is failing South Africa.
Jeez.
So we went to the building, namachita wami lapha yana.
Yeah.
And then we started walking around the building. Njoba si walk around that specific building. I was taking videos.
Yes.
Nama camera more than 15 lapha yana kulela scene there. More than 15 cameras. So we started wondering ukuthi gahle gahle akuphi ama footage. So far, I'm not saying they don't have enough evidence.
Yes.
Probably evidence basazoyikhipha a court because it try like a qali. But for now, there's only one footage that we have, and it's blurry.
Yeah, I saw it.
The court decided to kick it out, Leo, evidence. So I am saying, Oguti, if ISABS doesn't want to work in South Africa, Tina, we can assist. Good Basebens. We will not have another DJ Warris like South Africa. Also Shona, just like that. And another thing that concerns me the most.
Yes.
How many people are famous about Shona in South Africa?
A lot.
And people, Lezo Itori, no one is covering Lezo Itori.
True.
The only stories that we know about here is stories like Senzo Meyo, aka DJ Warris, just to name a few. But what about abantu abaningi in South Africa that are dying
The ordinary people.
Exactly. And no one is getting to the bottom of Loma cases. Ama-doctor disappear. Day in, day out.
Marvel. Okunye ke wakuveza lapha kuleya video ukuthi indawo ebusy leya ya.
Yeah.
Inamatekisi la eduze kunabantu abanamatafula la eduze the street vendors, for which up to this far akekho umuntu oseke wabonakala ephuma mhlawumbe eshinto ayibona, considering nokuthi ukuthi kunama camera lapha, more than 15 cameras, for which there's no footage that is, being presented. Ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kunonyawo lemfene or something?
I think I'm entitled to my own thought patterns, ne? How do I feel about a certain situation?
Yeah.
Yes, I feel like something is not right. Something is fishy. Because it means, come on, there's too much activity lapayana and productivity lapayana.
Yeah.
I mean, unifuna ngitshela ukuthi akekho umuntu obone anything. It's impossible, leonto le.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense, Chief. Yeah.
Waphinde waya khona sohamba nefamily yakho DJ Warras.
Yeah.
How was the feeling?
When I spoke to the sister the first time, she inboxed me. Maqeda ukubona ivideo le engiyipostile.
Yes.
And she said, "Thank you so much for what you are doing.
Jeez.
Let us hold the line for DJ Warras. Please keep supporting us until justice is served."
True.
And usiska DJ Warras wathi kumina, ever since my brother ashona lapha, I've never been to that building. But I can do it through you because I can see ukuthi you're fearless, you've got courage.
Yes.
You know exactly what you are doing. I don't trust anyone. She told me that. She's got trust issues. If I'm like DJ Warras, abathembi muntu manje. But they were able to trust me.
Then you went there.
And then I said, no problem. What I'll do for you guys, I'll put together my team so you guys can be safe.
Yeah.
And then we can go lapaya. And then she agreed. She's very intelligent, by the way.
Yeah.
She's a duplicate of DJ Warras.
Wow.
Yabona the way lo mchita bekakhuluma ngakhona. Well spoken. He listens to understand.
Yes.
Siso wakhe exactly the same. I even joked the other day and said, "Hey, you speak like DJ Warras."
So nafika khona senamba nonke.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah. Safika khona. We walked around the building.
Yeah.
Sacheck ama camera laphayana. Yeah, and lapha amadoda amadlali. Amabhubezi. Yeah. So akekho umuntu osondele phambi kwethu la.
Yeah. But kubona ke as mhlambe people that you can consider victims, like kwakunjani nje mfethu ukubuyela endaweni nje.
It was an emotional roller coaster for uSiska Warras, ne? You could tell ukuthi yamudla lento le. And she was even wearing iskipa saka DJ Warras. Nekepisi la ka DJ Warras.
Jesus.
So you can imagine the connection lapho.
So strong.
She wanted to connect more. Not DJ Warras.
Yes.
It's very sad. And someone is all, I was speaking to someone is all, why do you have a personal interest in Glendole? I said anything that has got to do with my country is personal to me. It's not about Indabaga DJ Warras kuphela.
Yes.
It's about my country, South Africa. We are not going to surrender our country to criminals. Njobu Martin Luther King ashilo madoda. I've been to the mountaintop. I've looked over that mountain. My eyes have seen the promised land and the coming of the Lord. Mavel, come back, may not get there with you. But we as the people will get to the promised land.
Wow. Nice one. Mfethu, ufikile kuleya building twice. How's the life there? Is it normal? Is the project still continuing? The one that, DJ Warras started.
Yeah.
Kwenzalani?
Okay, in terms of the project, DJ Warras, I can't get into detail at the moment because there's an investigation going on, right?
Yes.
So we also need to respect the law to a certain extent. But life is not normal.
Yeah.
You can see mongena lapha kulela bilidi ukuthi something is wrong. And nalabantu abahlala laphayana, they are very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Uyayibona leyo nto le.
Yeah.
They know ukuthi anything can happen any day. So ngeke ngithi normally life yalaphayana. And so bahlupha. We are not going to rest la.
Yeah. Eish.
Spirit saka DJ Waris is talking to me. Sizobahlupha.
Zobanyakazisa.
Abazonyakaza. Isitsonga bari batachina makhwaya mfo. Bazogida.
Batachina makhwaya.
Batachina makhwaya. Batashikuma leswi bashilabako. We're not here to play, Chief.
Yeah. Apart from you attending story saka DJ Waras, I've heard ukuthi khona ezinye nje izinto which has to do with crime attack that you have done previously. Awusitshele ngerole yakho nje ukuzama ukulungisa isimo sase South Africa with as far as crime is related.
Okay, you can't mention crime in South Africa without mentioning corruption. They go hand in hand.
Yes.
Same WhatsApp group lezo zinto lezo.
True.
Right? When I started, I wanted to educate South Africans because I'm a globetrotter.
Yeah.
I've been to Africa. Ayikho indawo engakaze ngibe kuyo South Africa, corner to corner, coast to coast.
Yeah.
So I've seen abandoned projects. I've seen abandoned buildings in the hands of the ruling party and the government.
Yes.
I'm a man, corrupt to the core. So my job is to expose shenanigans.
Yes.
Show the other side of South Africa. So that we can get to a point as South Africans to see Uguti, the battles that we are fighting are not the battles that we should be fighting.
As we speak, sikhuluma ngiyathanda mawuthinta le issue because sikhuluma right now lo hulumeni okhuluma ngawo usaseyingxenye ye-GNU for which usasenamandla. Ngizobuza umbuzo nje uthi ngokubuka kwakho ilibulale kangakanani izwe iANC?
My guy, the ANC has fed our country to the dogs.
Jeez.
You know, walking in some of the buildings that I'm referring to, if you go through my videos, you'll see those buildings. I become emotional every time. People tell me, la paguliyo community, la yaguti, you know what the comeback? La na biksebenza abantu about 50,000 la. But today, it's a house to let. It pains me leyo nto le in the hands of the ANC. It pains me. You see, I'm a project, Baba, where there's still machinery, equipment, South African investment.
Yes.
Our tax money, just wasted.
Yes. Yini wrong kahle la kweNC mawubuka wena?
Yini wrong? My guy, corruption is wrong lapha.
Corruption.
Corruption. ANC kahle kahle mele siyikhiphe. We just don't want the ANC anymore. Ngisho no big nose naye lapho ubaba wabo Ramaphosa ufihla imali emasofeni. And we need to keep on reminding South Africans. We cannot shy away from leyo nto le. We need to remind South Africans ukuthi umenemene Ramaphosa is corrupt to the core. Instigator ya yonke lento le. I hear people saying ukuthi hey Ramaphosa this. You know Ramaphosa something, don't be deceived. He's well spoken. He's got leadership qualities Ramaphosa. I don't think anyone who ayisho leyo nto South Africa. We need to acknowledge yabona Ramaphosa. If he was not corrupt, if Ramaphosa was not corrupt, he was probably going to become the best leader in the world.
That's true. Yes. That's true. He's very intelligent.
Ramaphosa.
But Marvel, as ukhuluma nge-corruption kuyona i-ANC nakuyena Ramaphosa. What do you think imlead ekutheni intelligence yakhe angayisebenzisi ngendlela? Don't you think ukuthi there are external forces agcina emphusha ukuthi yenza ukuthi indoda ngoba mhlambe nokungena kwakho la we were behind you?
Guys, you know, sometimes we need to study. If you don't study history, there's no way you can understand the future of your country.
Yeah.
uRamaphosa bafethu sold South Africa many moons ago. You know, I told people the other day ukuthi I'm starting to believe ukuthi Shem uTata uMandela didn't know anything. He was just a skeleton, Shem. UTata. Phela who negotiated with the Boers?
It's Ramaphosa.
uRamaphosa.
Yeah, that's true. It's him.
Abantu bablame uBab Jacob Zuma. Abantu bablame uThabo Mbeki. Yeah. But who came with the South African laws during the negotiations?
It's him.
Why are black people oppressed today? uRamaphosa. Why do you have land?
I have a piece because ngibuye emakhaya.
What piece? Agna peace, chief la. Show me one black person in South Africa that has 5,000 hectares of land. One. I'll definitely give you a 5,000 right now. Show me one black. No, don't mention royalty la. Don't ninga mention amakhosi. Don't. Now we're talking about black people. Who owns 5,000 hectares of land in South Africa? No one.
No one.
Akekho umuntu ongikhomba. uRamaphosa sold our country to the dogs.
To the highest bid.
And that is why today as black people we are fighting amongst ourselves. There's a place called Port Noloth. I also did a few videos lapaya.
Yes.
I mean, why would you close down a clinic knowing very well what we are fighting over clinics today? They close down a clinic, just down the road they open another clinic. Why don't you just expand?
Yes.
Knowing very well ukuthi sesilwela ama clinic manje. When you're destroying South African infrastructure. Why? Because of the tendering system.
Yes.
Khona imali lapha yana abayibonayo emele idliwe. Do you understand what I mean?
Somebody once said, ayikho into abayenzayo bengaka identify ukuthi imali bona bazoyenza kanjani out of lento. Wena ungajabulela ukuthi hey naba besakhela umgwaqo kanti bahlale phansi babheke ukuthi we going to gain out of this road.
Yeah, phela there's always money. Every province has money. Do you understand? And it has to be used. Or else, you know what happens if they don't use the money? Bayithatha by allocate kwelinye province.
Yes.
So now, before the time expires, they come up with this dodgy thing. So they can use the money. So babona all of a sudden, sekune project njengayenza sense elokishini. Abantu banikwa ama overall orange. Vela kithi bayazi ukuthi you've got a prison mentality bakushanga ama overall orange. Why orange out of wonke lo makhala? Because bathi ayiboshwa leza oyithatha uyisebenzisa lapha.
Jeez, bro.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very deep. Maningi ama issues esiwathatha mfethu. Recently oyenzukwini nje eThekwini bekade kunombhikisho olokuqhubeka bowenziwa iMarch and March ehola uJacinta Ngobese. I think you've heard of her. Into kade beyilwela ukuthi South Africans should be prioritized. Bekhala kakhulu ngokuthi kulesikole kade belwa kusona kunezingane eziningi zase South Africa ezingasitholanga ispace for which phakathi kunezingane ezithathiwe, some of them which belongs to the illegal foreign immigrants. Ithini view yakho?
You know, me and Jacinta we are yet to have a conversation.
Yes.
So I wouldn't want to slander her name on this podcast.
Yes.
But let me tell you one thing. Have you ever seen white on white hate? I've never seen it. If you check the Indians, you check Pakistan, they are same clan labantu laba. But have you ever seen the Indians attacking Pakistan?
We haven't.
We've got a lot of European foreigners like South Africa. Have you ever seen white people standing up and saying "Guti abahambe"?
We haven't.
But why is it Tina black on black? And the issues about Jacinta, They are talking about, they are saying those are South African issues, right?
Yes.
How is it South African if it's only black people fighting those battles? Where's the white people? Where's the Indians from Phoenix? Where's the Indians from Chatsworth?
That would probably be the same question nababazibuza bona ukuthi abanye why.
So
they
is
don't
it a
come
South
to
African
party.
issue now? It's not a South African issue. It's a minority issue. And to a certain
But
extent,
don't you see it as a crisis?
my guy, I have never said there's no crisis. Don't get me wrong. Right? I know there's a crisis because of corruption in South Africa.
Yeah.
And let me tell you one thing, because now I'm not scared of no one. All South African departments are syndicates of corruption. Wonke lama Africans that I don't like calling them foreigners. The Africans that you see like South Africa, bangeniswa ubani mafethu. Mangaba khona uPotso khona eborder. Ubani ovule lo Potso? Bandlula apho lo bantu. I know guys, man. I don't care who says what. Who work for the South African military. Nochita shayite ezinzima kabi lapha eLimpopo.
Jeez. Eish.
Bayithola apho leyo mali leyo. Uyazi ukuthi lo mjito uhola malini. But ukushayela imention enzima kabi. He's got a side business. Conflict of interest.
Eish. Yes.
You're not supposed to be having businesses when you work for the government. Conflict
Doesn't make sense.
doesn't make sense.
According to you, Marvel, if you were in a position to fix their situation, with board, what can you do?
A situation. You'd probably, if you want to fix the South African situation right now, this is what I would do. Overhaul the entire system, my guy. It's rotten to the core. The entire system. You'll have to do a lot of firing. I mean, abafethu if benginebhomba ngizobhoma kwasani. Bengizobabhoma bonke.
Shuthi ungabuyisa nesigwebo sentamo.
Asibuye madoda.
Bophela ama-politicians.
For the sake of our kids, so they can have a future like South Africa. Mina bengizobabhoma wonke umuntu eSouth Africa who's a syndicate of corruption. If I had it my way. Abengizoba i-dictator ntswempu. Overhaul the entire system.
Yes.
Because into eyenzakalayo lapha eborder liyafika iphoyisa eligrand or isosha eligrand or someone who works for the immigration department. Uthola ukuthi usuke eJozi and they were honest. Umfundisi lo muntu lo.
Yes.
But uyabona ukuthi how the system is against me la. My friends are eating every day. Balala nama 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Do you know ukuthi eborder khona izinto eyingena from esayidini? I-truck uyibona yongena ehlathini baba. I mean the logistics space. I would know about those things.
Yes.
I-load ehlathini truck. Uzibuza ukuthi kanjani? Eborder. Amajito angale anemikhumbi lapha.
Yes.
They've got boats. Merchandise yandlula. Yandlula merchandise.
Busy.
It's not like these guys don't have intelligence. They know. They are part of it, my guy. Bana intelligence lama out lawo. Majority are part of it.
There was something eyakhulunywa kuthiwa i-BMA, which is a Border Management Authority, yafaka isikhalazo sokuthi yacela izinsiza ama-resources ikhala ngokuthi yashoda lapha abasebenzi abekho kahle, imishini yokuprocessa some of the stuff ayikho kahle, yakhala ngokuthi iyazitshwa ikholi yabo, nobody is attending them.
Is Ramaphosa attending to anyone in South Africa? The South African military is also complaining ukuthi they are being defunded. Kuzoba ne-commission ezoqala manje e-General Navy for speaking up.
Jeez.
Every system or department in South Africa, it's not functional, fully functional. If South Africa were to go into war today, Zimbabwe ngasithela intoko. Those guys are fit, my guy. But bese Zimbabwe, amasosha Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Only 26% of our military is fit for war.
Jeez.
America, South Africa, bangayibhoma within 5 minutes if they wanted. Remember what Julius Malema said? It's true. There's a military base like Botswana, America.
Yeah.
5 minutes, union buildings, poof. So there's no system or department in South Africa that is fully functional.
Marvel, you are also a Pan-Africanist. Abantu abaningi who are fond of that idea today in South Africa, most yabo, they have took a step back. The reason is some of them are saying, yes, Africa can unite, but not in the coast of South Africa.
Yeah.
What is your say on that?
What is my say? You know, I feel like Africans can unite anywhere they want, even here in South Africa. And a very interesting question that I always ask myself, who's saying that? Is it Zandile or Operation Tutuli? Which are sinned? How do we know, Guti, they speak for South Africans? You are wrong when you say they speak for South Africans. Do you have proof, Guti, by majority? South Africa, it's simple. Majority rules. So how do we quantify Guti? The people that are saying Guti no unity like South Africa are really a majority.
When it's abahlali,
angazi ngithi bahlale mina.
What is your view?
I am saying let us fix our South African system, overhaul the system, so that we can have a proper system. If we need to, I don't support illegal immigration.
Yes.
Wonke umuntu ola South Africa illegal without documents must be deported.
Yes.
Come through the right channels, right? But manje the damage is done already. Amanzi achithekile. Yazi ole dlambe liyihade ole dlam. Belisipana lapha eMoroka police station eSoweto.
Soweto, yes.
Ole dlambe lihlezi liku deployment. From Lindela bebahambisa labantu laba ngestimela. Malibuyi ole lithi hawu vusi wena ngisada kukhambisa nje sobuyile.
Jeez.
So we are just wasting resources like South Africa for no reason. Sihlala umacashelana la.
Yeah. For which ngokubuka kwakho njengoba sebekhona in numbers ba estimate ko 10 million abantu abakhona bokufika la if ubala nje across all African countries. Abantu about 10 million, mhlambe half of them, which is 5 million, are undocumented.
You know, I don't want you to push me to the corner, right? Why do you only say Africans? Is it only Africans that are here illegal in South Africa?
Yeah, because Masbala, Mautu Apera, even our Pakistanis, there's plenty of them.
They're not Africans.
There's Indians, yeah,
Abanbase Israel, Cape Town. Why don't you mention them? I mean, guys, we've got a guy who's about to steal the Western Cape from us, the entire South African heritage. The Western Cape was funded by Mapepe or Ingwadi. Hey, do you know what it used to be part of South Africa? Just like Namibia.
Just like Botswana,
Lesotho. Just to name a few. So we must stop being narrow-minded. Just saying, we've got an African problem. We also have an Israel problem.
Yes.
Cape Town is flustered, my guy. Ma Pakistan akhona. Yes, I'm a Somalians, ne? Somalians, they're also a problem like South Africa. But this thing, Bafit, it's a system. Ukwabona isitolo sama Somalians ehlathini wena. Who's to blame? Do you only blame Somalians for not doing the right thing? Abantwana bethu bayashona eSoweto. Badla ama-go slow, abolile or expire. They saying ukuthi it's Somalians, right? But is Somalian li rent up? Who's the land owner?
It's South African.
It's a South African. And if you're gonna rent out your property to someone, what do? You need to vet leyo muntu la. Check ukuthi do they comply with the South African laws, regulations.
Yeah.
Bayenza pest control into abantu lapho. Because the last time kushona umntana eSoweto, there was an issue of pest control. Uchekile wena as the landowner ukuthi lo muntu lona do they do pest control? Or wena you only interested ukuthatha rent. So sibheke ngalelo side lelo as well. Yeah.
I think over isikhathi eside ngicabanga labantu labo refer kubona abakaza mhlawumbe even some of them bathole imfundiso ukuthi uma ngabe kufika umuntu ezoqasha 1 no 2 no 3 ekufanele uconsider from that person, you know. It seemed like kufika iPakistan ufuna ukuzoqasha emakhaya isitolo, you know. Kunzima ukuthi ngilibuza zonke lezo zinto because we'd find ukuthi kwasamina anginawo leyo information. Mhlambe uhulumeni uyena umuntu esingambuka ngenye indlela ukuthi kwakufanele asifundise lokho especially kubantu abalapha yaphansi. My man.
No. I need to respond.
Okay, cool.
It's not like about ukuthi asazi guys. We know the South African laws, we know the regulations. But most of us tend to use our stomachs to think, not our brains. Silambile. Skawulekile. Bad. Because of the ANC. So that is why I'm saying I'm suggesting overhaul the entire system. If bengine bomb, bengo bomb wasana. South Africa iqalele kabusha for the sake of our kids. Thina vele sekuphelile ngathi manje.
Mhlambe Marvel ake sibheke ngalento sekunamazwe eAfrica nje ngoba phela nathi siseAfrica angenawo government ofonywa ama political parties. Mhlambe kuzosuka amasosha mhlambe abanye bangena ngekhuditha baphathe izwe. Ngiya ekutheni do you think thina South Africa sawethu ukuthi silidwe ngokwepolitiki noma sengimele siphile ngalendlela yamasosha?
Honestly speaking, I think 90% of South Africans have lost faith in the political system, the entire thing.
Entirely.
Right? But I don't think also taking the law into your own hands will help the situation. I think there's better ways of doing it. For example, for the first time with a podcast here, I'm saying this because it seems like abantu abaningi they misquote me.
Yeah.
Mina, I understand to a certain extent about Jacinta and about Operation Tutul. I agree. We've got issues on the ground like South Africa. But for me, it's just the methods. I think there's a better way of doing it. That is why we are not united as black people, teen. Check how the Indians, I mentioned the Indians. Go to Phoenix today. They are united.
Yes.
They are using the spider web system. Impugane may fly around, iboni spider web lapha inamathela ayisasuka impugane.
Yes.
Imali rotator Phoenix. These guys can survive near Phoenix kuphela. But go to a black community. Hambe Nanda today, hambe Mawuti, hamba Adams.
So
khona ama supermarket angekho lapha. Mele kudliwe. There's no law firm lapha. Car dealership ayikho lapha. There's no employment, indlala. But we can draw inspiration from the other races.
Yes.
So we can build each other up and unite. You go to a white community, my guy, same applies. They can survive kuleyo community without even aphume lo muntu loyo kuleyo community le. Wena mawufuna imoto wena uthenga phi imoto? You go to a white community, you're a consumer. So if we can unite as black people, asingayenza izinto zenzeke.
But I guess it's into the issue, Marvel. South Africa, a lack of compliance, it is very high. Ufici Somali linesitolo alirejistile alinalutho linespaza iPakistan alirejistile alinalutho. You find an Arab like coming from the Middle East azovula a very huge company engacomply, it's Chinese, same thing and stuff. Siyilungisa kanjani lento ye compliance yama business amaningi kangaka othola ukuthi they are not complying?
Monkey see, monkey do. All foreigners that come to South Africa, they see and they learn from us. Amazama, do you think, I'm going to use Lesotho as an example. I'm not saying they are a problem. Phela, yibok phela, right? But we need to, if we were to, you know.
Yeah.
Izamazama bafezi iqale ngathi.
How?
Bafika labantu laba babona ukuthi hawo kuyasebenzeka mose South Africa.
Yeah.
South African citizens are doing it. So we can also do it. Umuntu makazovakasha kini awuclean wena endlini. Uyadla izitsha uyiwash. Do you think mina ngizoyenza leyo nto wena ungayenzi kini? Do you respect South African regulations wena mselufu?
Yeah.
So monkey see,
monkey do.
If we were to fix ourselves internally like South Africa, akekho umuntu uzofika nyathela isitupu esicline ioledi la, because mina sinyathela isitupu esicline ioledi. Siyazi ukuthi ioledi kuzoshuba.
Ngiyayithanda le oyithinta i-gesture military which has been possessing in South Africa. I think it was 2023 kune story sake saphuma ukuthi there's Somalis military training that is happening in Mpumalanga. Kodwa ngizobuyela kule yaseLesotho. We've seen a number of time abeSuthu begova ama-miner la, yes kona ama-miner asuke engasasebenzi, but kusho ukuthini ukuthi abantu basuke ezweni labo in numbers nezibhamu ezinkulu ezisabekayo bakwazi ukuthi bazogova kwezinye indawo. West parts labantu uthola ukuthi kwasayibona abanawo ngisho ama-passport, they have nothing to present.
For someone to come to your country and be part of such an activity, that's a big operation. There was an invitation there. And there's only one person who's capable of inviting lowo bantu labo. It's a South African. Uvula masango. Wathi ngenani? Na ifarm la. My land. You can use my land to do whatever you want to do. So a South African is always involved from the inception.
But umthetho uyabasabani labantu ngoba naphela bakwazi ukuxoshisa imindeni ama-household more than 300 ahlele emaholo because basaba bona.
Overhaul the system in South Africa. Don't fix. The problem now we are trying to fix. There's no fixing in South Africa. Amanzi achithekile boss. There's no fixing. Yabo manje? South Africa. Aqalile kabusha. We did it in 1994.
Yes.
Into engasihlula manje. I mean, if I were to, for whatever reason, become the president of South Africa today, tomorrow, everyone that works for any department like South Africa, as long as it's government, you need to resubmit your qualifications. Kabush.
Yeah.
Can't we don't learn? Kenzakalani lapha ku commission?
Mama bo.
Animboni le umuntu iphasa kanjani i-interview? Angifuni ukulisha igama lakhe. Yes. 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 Amanzi.
Yeah, but yena lo yamuntu leya khona lo ongaphakathi kuyimanje kubukeke ngathi naye waba ne-influence ukuthi angene lapha ngoba wayefuna ukuphusha into.
That is why I am saying there is no fixing. Yabona bafethu mohamba ngemoto, you can only fix your tires to a certain extent. Khona la ubona khona ukuthi yabo mashi, hey bafethu yekela ukubhesha. Let me just buy a new tire. We cannot fix South Africa. We need to restart from the inception. Njoba ngisho 1994 we did it. Now we know We have learned the hard way.
Yes.
Let us not repeat the same mistakes. But we need a new South Africa manje. This one is rotten to the core. Wonke umuntu uyayenzela la. Mazenzele kangena kuyaphuma.
Yes.
So yeah.
What is your stand on Tutula?
Hey. Like I said, my guy, ngiyaphinda futhi. Abantu abaningi basho ukuthi ngiyayizonda iTutula. Not really. But I think we can sit down and come up with a more progressive and a better way to deal with the issue. Because, for example, mina bafethu we are eGiyani, right?
Yes.
Tina, I think, according to other people, that is far nama Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
And we're not far from Zim. I think it's just the border that is dividing us. Yeah, how many guys from where I come from, Giyani, Ashpilongo, have been mistaken for being foreigners?
A lot.
A lot. Why? No, let's be honest. Let's speak of it. Spend the confidence, we're not scared of anyone, right? Why? Let me conclude. Why? It's because of the tone and the color of my skin. Because probably we have a darker tone.
Yeah.
It's not like maybe it's because sikhuluma ngale ndlela le. No. Mina if probably I was lighter, you wouldn't even think ukuthi I'm a Tsonga. Because amatsonga, most of them abakhulele kasi le eGiyani. You can hear mabakhulu.
Yeah.
Mina ngilokish mina khulele kasi. But you can still abantu abaningi, that's what they say, ukuthi wena sekubona ukuthi Limpompo's finest.
Yeah.
Yeah, not Durban's finest.
Yazi usasho kanjalo Marvel. There's a video ekade itrenda khona lo suku lo bebe uJacinta ube epolice station eyozihanda over ngoba bebesibambopha. So kunomunye ke usisi umntwana ubuya ebukhosini eRoyal House wagcina efuna ukuchaza inkinga yakhe ku Colonel Roberts Nechunda lo wamaphoyisa oyispokesperson samaphoyisa eKZN. So waze wagcina ukukhuluma amagama akanjalo ukuthi hey awubuyi la ubuya le eLimpopo awazi nesizulu kodwa uzophatha uzoba umkhulumeli wamaphoyisa eKZN. Ngizama ukuya kulento ozama ukuyichaza ukuthi ngoba ubuya le eVenda kugcine sekunaloko kwabanye abantu ukuthi wena vele umfana ware babiza kanjalo, or let me say mhlambe bacabanga ukuthi uyikwerekwe.
Yeah, straight. But now here's the question. Do you blame the lady? Yes, I know ukuthi abantu they would expect something different, distinctly different from me. Do you blame her? Ama results la we divide and conquer. It's working. Kanti when I'm studisha when expect her.
Do you think Marvel
it's divide and
after
conquer.
iminyaka emingaka umntwana ukhulile usekhulile ngokweminyaka ukuthi ngabe usakuleyo nto kumele ngabe usefunde kangcono ukuthi umuntu waseLimpopo umuntu waseSouth Africa.
Here's the thing. Mina I was njoba ngisho ukuthi I'm a globetrotter and I started traveling when I was still very young. I actually got my first job at Durban. Bengisebenza a call center, man.
Yes.
Right? So let me show you the other side of this thing. I got to the call center Lapayan. And people could tell, okay, you are from Joburg, right? Bengisasana 19. And I bengihola about 40,000 at the age of 19 Lapayan. And let me tell you why I was one of the highest guys who were getting paid in Lapayan. At that age, né? It is because the campaign Kuleo call center was a local campaign like South Africa. So this thing can benefit you, right? It was a local campaign. So besfonela abantu for car insurance in South Africa, outbound, ne? No masingcwabisana.
Yeah.
Funeral cover. So now here's the trick now. The call center is at Durban. And Zulu people can only speak is Zulu nani, Neslung.
Neslung, yeah.
But now, what is the target market? It's South Africa. There's someone, a vendor right now. Ofana nomuntu ose-KZN ozothi yena angeke akhulume i-language or isiZulu. Noma ngene bank, uthi you'll help me in vendor. So, lapaya, abantu sibafonelayo sometimes, you had to read the terms and conditions using i-language abayi-understand. And I mean, here I am, multilingual from Joburg. Sotho I can speak. Ndikhuluma Xivenda, ndibalabula Xitsonga. Okay, Praat Afrikaans, you know, just to name a few. So, bebamele bawanika bantu ma calls now, just to close the sale.
Yeah,
they had to give it to me.
Makes sense, yeah.
So it also shows good. Do not be narrow-minded. Be open-minded and be willing to learn. It can work for you, learn. Amachita bebangizonda lapha in a call center, but uchita lo uholi imali engaka. But of course, you know, I've built family lapha kule call center leya.
Yeah,
I've got brothers. I've got more friends who are Zulus from KZN.
Yeah.
Than abantu engisuka le napho eGiyani. Because mangizoqala ukuspana though, there was unity nyana lapha yana, and amachita nawo nabo girl we started connecting. Yeah. At the end of the day they were forced because bengibathela into. I was the highest paid.
Look, Kunja, what's your take on EFF and its leader Julius Malema?
Yeah, when you talk about Julius Malema, my guy, now, I feel like Julius Malema, we're not fair on Julius Malema as South Africans. We didn't give him like enough chance and confidence. And now it's getting to a point where he's losing influence as the days, weeks, months, and years unfold. He's losing he's losing the influence.
Yes. Why?
It's because we didn't give Julius Malema enough support as South Africans. And now people are starting to look for alternatives.
Don't you think it gesture yakhe iyona eyamdicilela phansi somehow le yokuthi akhulume ngayo i-Pan-Africanism?
Let's be honest here. Let's be honest about this. If a white man likes you, blacks will like you. uMandela bekathanda abelungu. Abantu abamnyama bebamthanda. If the white man hates you, abantu abamnyama bazokuzonda. Abantu abamnyama bahamba noPastor John, papa.
But after Julius Malema wathi the borders should be open, inkinga yaqala lapho.
Nah. You know abantu abaningi they're scared to confess that me and you and other, whether keyboard warrior, abantu abafana noBophenyol, those are keyboard warriors. They only vocal from a comfortable chair. Do you understand what I mean? We've got no fear, my guy. We'll talk.
Yeah.
If you want to come. We are here on the ground. Let's work. Comfortable. I like the fact you guys are always on the ground. That's what it takes to be a soldier, my guy. To make change in South Africa. That is the first step. So, Julius Malema, not to diverse, Julius Malema, we drew inspiration from here. He gave us confidence. Today we can speak up.
Yeah.
As black people. We didn't even know what begenzakala in parliament. Abo Angie Motshekga bebalala from day one kuze kuyophela uDecember. Bebalele lapha eParliament.
Unkosazana Zuma.
Bebalala every day labo bantu labo. Cabanga lo mama lona, she's been serving ever since the Nelson Mandela Treaty. She's still in Parliament until today.
Yeah.
So Julius Malema helped the South African youth in a way to say, guys, let's stand, we can also do this.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people in South Africa, Manch, who feel like we can also make it into parliament and change South Africa. So, Mina, I feel like we just didn't give him a chance.
Yeah, I can attest to lento isho Marvel ngoba before EFF ye parliament kakhulu intsha yayingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani eParliament, but the time beqala beParliament as EFF kurecord ama video kube nama video acirculatayo abantu banelele EFF mhlambe I challenge I leader. That's why abantu baqala ba notice this is what is happening eParliament. Then abanye ke baqala ba draw inspiration yokuthi ay nathi singasebenza lapha senze ushintsho, hence we are outlining.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying now.
So le ngikhuluma
angizwa kahle mina. Angizwa kahle. Yeah.
Open border police is the one that brought down Julius Malema.
That's
the truth of it. Even if you can go now, let's say example is delivering a speech somewhere. Once you enter a plug with social media, that would be the same thing that will appear on the comments. That's the truth of it. And he lost, a maximum support by that.
My guy, like njoba ngisho, we tend to be not realistic sometimes. We need to be honest about such issues. First of all, you also need to understand who's in power in South Africa. Umapanga said this. He said, Guti, you know what? I hear people like South Africa saying, no, we can't have a white president anymore. But behind the scene, who's in power?
It's white people.
Hit the dog until the owner comes up. Right? Who's the owner of South Africa? Who owns the means of production in South Africa? 80% of the South African land? Boers. Means of production? Boers. The land? Boers. Manufacturing? Boers. So, it's very unfair for you to say Julius Malema lost because of this border thing. The people that are really in power in South Africa decide who's going to be the president of South Africa.
Sesivala kule topic bese sidlulela la sesizovala khona ishow. Ngizokubuza umbuzo nje with regards lento esikhulumayo. Ukungena kwama foreign immigrants, especially the illegal ones and stuff, knowing very well which is South Africa, they've got a budget allocations and stuff. Umangabe every time kune budget allocation. Then lapha we border you have 1,500 people coming in every day to compete in a very same resources that are allocated for a certain number of people. Don't you think with ukungena kwabo continuously it's straining South African resources?
You said something very interesting. You said compete. Right? What do you mean by that? You want to tell me, are you telling me, Uguti, majority of South Africans are still selling? No. Let me
compete wami akusilo compete okudai okuthengisa ukubanga that we're fighting over the same resources which are limited basically.
But now why don't you go for the resources that are not limited? The means of production, economic freedom, manufacturing, the land. I went to Angola the other day. I was busy in a project here, Ankole. But even if I were to bring Ankole and compete in a Menemenu Ramaphosa, remember, I don't have land. Julius Malema said this. You can't take land and give it to a DJ. Tina, we are here. We are business people. We know what we are talking about. We don't mistake us now for each generation of betu. We can read now. Gone are the days where izinto bezifihlo encwadini. Some of us are even authors. We are not hooligans. We're not going to take up arms like our grandfathers. All we want is to negotiate with the Boers through dialogue, respecting the South African Constitution. Let's sit down. We are more intelligent, man. We don't use stones to fight anymore.
Zimbabweans were given their land, but all of them are flocking to South Africa.
That is Zimbabwe. Don't tell me about Zimbabwean problems. If they didn't do it right, it doesn't mean we can't do it right. If they chased away the Boers, Lapayan, they chased away the Boers. Did you even hear me say chase away the Boers like South Africa? Why can't we live together and share the means of production? Why can't we sit down? I mean, come on. How do you sleep at night? It's inhumane knowing that you own 5,000 hectares of land. Kunomuntu elanga laphaya. Uhlala toilet. Yonke imkhukhu eSouth Africa, it's equal to a toilet.
True.
So, ama-Zimbabweans, maybe the biggest mistake they did ukuthi bayithathe ngendlela wrong. But in South Africa, honestly speaking, we want to sit down and negotiate. We have nothing, my guy. I grew up in Soweto. Our biggest inspiration in Soweto was criminals. I'm a Grootmani. I drive a VR6.
Yes.
Now let's be realistic about South African problems, especially when it concerns a black person.
Yes.
Some of us must be esikolweni. Besifuna ukubukela ama-Dragon Ball Z, baba. It's the system. We didn't care about farming. Compare that to your counterpart. Bufunda na esikolweni wengamla. Makabuyela esikolweni at the age of 9. The boy can drive an excavator lapha.
True.
Drive a TLP. Akabukela ma-Popeye lo muntu loyo. They work. From point A to Z, he knows everything about farming. When abafuna ukudlala ithupala udla ama-kip lapha eKasi. Because of their box matches le lapha eKasi. Umuzi kagogo wakho. Mawuthi ume 18 nali Grootman ispin BM lapha. What else are you going to look up to? Now ufuna ukuyospin eJozi now.
Usase lapho lithini uvo lwakho nge-education system yase South Africa?
It's part of what I'm saying. We are hypnotized into believing. I mean, when ugoyezwa, come on guys. Let's be honest. Ugoyezwa wena eklasini. Since ugeleza esikolweni. Uteacher akutshela ukuthi, "Hey mntanami, work hard in class so one day you can become a good employer." Never. They've always taught you about work ethics. Mtanam, work hard in class, so one day you can become a good employee. Ngisho nase university, it's all about theory laphayana. Practicals later. Nakhona uyabo ukuthi practicals yama chance le. Ukwambona wena ibhunu kwalibona university. No. Bahlala ekhaya laphana, they wait for you to finish so phinde bakuphathe ngayo. So it's the system, and when you speak about the system, you can't speak about the system without mentioning education in South Africa. South African education bafethi is weak, and we need to accept. That's why I need to overhaul the whole system. Yeah.
Recently, uGwede Mantashe wakhipha statement esithi South African youth, they are lazy, ababhala ama-CV, bafuna izinto zifike kubona. Kuthini kuphawula kwakho ngenkulumo yakhe?
My guy, it's the system. I've got brothers, I've got friends. I was at Sun City today. Very intelligent guys. Bahlele Sun City. But what were you expecting? What were you expecting when uzofaka abantu kuma box matches elokishini?
Jeez.
You can't even think outside the box, Mosekas, bro. That is why some of us, we realized,
yes,
if we want change, let's move away from the hood.
Yeah.
Because now, if you're staying in a better environment, makhelwane ngala uhamba ngePorsche, lo ngala uhamba ngeLamborghini, opposite uhamba ngeM4, and you're like, I need to work hard. Yes. Pull up my socks.
Yes.
But Mosekas, umakhelwane lo ka right kuyaphuzwa lapha. Kuthukana kwasani lapha ejardini. Umalungu uthuka umama uthuka umntana ubuyisela ngenhlamba. So uzofundani lapha. Monga la kusontwa kakhulu ngala. Kuno cheese boy lapha yakashabalala somewhere. Ekunamatekisi khona. Wonke amakasi ane problem efana. I don't care ukuthi kuphi. Whether usemlazi, usemfulo, usedube, use Orlando. We are syndicates of the same problems in South Africa as the black people.
Jeez. Africa njengamanje inama leaders amaningi who are not functioning very well, for which most of these countries like abenzi kahle, which also results of flocking of people to South Africa and other parts of Europe and stuff, you know. Yini inkinga yase Africa ilungiswa kanjani?
Okay, mina from a business point of view, ne?
Yeah.
Yes, I don't agree with illegal immigration.
Yes.
But if you've got more people working in your country, the economy grows because there's just more activity in your country. Right? So that is why South Africa has one of the most biggest, or should I say immense, economies in Africa. Because we've got more activity compared to any other African country. Right? So to a certain extent, it's working for us because now there's more people who are paying tax, who are paying VAT in South Africa. So we're able to fix our roads, build more infrastructure. Ne? But with that being said, the ANC, obvious, the government, Ramaphosa big nose mene to the core. Man. So they are not doing what they're supposed to be doing. There's always questions, Guti. What has the ANC done for 32 years? Oh, we don't even have a CTA. When you look at the N3, N1, N2, you think it's us. We're just maintaining those roads, my guy. This was into Dala Zabakon. Apartheid yakha leza zinto leza. Amabhilidi, that is why amabhilidi manje abolile. Ahijackwa. Sakhumbula into engishilo. Ngithe monkey see monkey do. Umuntu uzofika la eSouth Africa abona ibhilidi libolile. What do you think that person is going to say? It's going to say ngayihlalela la. Akekho umuntu ozoba nendaba. But if already li clean stoop, sit clean. Umuntu uzofika endlini azovakasha edladleni. Uzobona ukuthi hey manga nginyathela le stoop kuzoshow. So we are not clean that. We are not clean. So probably we can inspire African countries. If Tina South Africa we clean up first. Yeah.
Ukhona umbuzo lapho sesizovala. Mhlambe sesivala mangayi asibheke kakhulu sike sabona ukuthi lapha eGauteng kakhulu bekuno Councillor Zungu behamba no Councillor uTata Murero omayor wase Gauteng wase Johannesburg. Kube ngesikhathi kuzi G20 kube neactivity enkulu kakhulu kususwa abantu siyabazi labantu abalapha kulemgwaqo lapha ko Wanderers besuswa bengasavumelekile ukuthi ila kuthiwa khona kwaguqa kungasavumelekile ukuthi babeke impahla khona. Siyezwa kancane silethe kwini phela sikude kodwa siyezwa kancane ukuthi engathi umgqiqo wabo sowuphelile mhlamba usathu sibeke.
Charity begins at home. Usakhumbula kudala abogogo bebayenza njani? Makuza abavakashi. Khishwa izitsha ehlala ku Rim Divide. Uzuyibuza ukuthi heyibo. Iziyabuya ke namhlanje. Angaze mina ngisithinte lesa sitsha lesiya.
Yes.
So Ramaphosa is a publicist. Ramaphosa is not a South African president. He cares more the international community, how he looks lapha yana. Uyambona nje uyohlezi la eAfrica invite kulama meeting la top la emhlabeni representing Africa, not only South Africa.
Right.
Yeah, just for pictures. So Ramaphosa will do anything, even turn his back against South Africans to look good. This thing is not something eqala manje, guys, man. before ngesikhathi sama union nabo Marikana. As long as Ramaphosa looks good, then the rest.
Jeez.
Yeah. So Ramaphosa just wanted to fix or clean up Johannesburg because of the G20. Headlines. Headlines. Yeah.
So, Sesivala nje, what's your take on GNU? Then the follow-up question would be, uyibona yenza kanjani South Africa come the national election in 2029?
GNU that you are mentioning, something you guys they just made it official, man. Who was the like Ramaphosa was the negotiator, right?
Yeah.
It was always a plan. It was scripted, Lentole. It's a script. You guys, you think it's something that happened is all. It was planned many moons ago, before 1994. You guys are going to have power and then why do you think, like really, come on. Why would Ramaphosa campaign for the DA? A whole president saying the DA, Guma Metros, they are performing better than the ANC. Hey, my guy, that is in direct marketing. We're in business. We know these things. Now is changing in narrative that black South Africans had towards the DA. Wait a minute. And I went to Cape Town. There's a video me challenging Gogo Helen Zila Shem ukugile naye. Uyigugele nje angazi ukuthi ufuna eJoburg. Akahamba yo retire. Ubhizi lapha noveza ama pothole lapha yana eJoburg uthi hey na ama pothole. Uyabaza abantu beselanga ukuthi bahlupheka kanjani. Ekhaya elisha.
Yeah. Mhlambe nje last question ngabe senziphutha masivale show singakhulumanga ngencwadi yakho The Comeback by Marvel Mangani. Awusase sibeke.
Guys, The Comeback is one of the best-selling books, not only in South Africa but also beyond the South African borders. It's a book about my life. I was inspired by my daughter, Ubunolo. Right? I wanted to leave a blueprint for Mtanam.
Yeah.
I felt Uguti will is not enough, you know? I wanted a more detailed description of my life. Right? I mean, abafethu ngafa ngabuya. Ngifile ngabuya mina. That is why manje I'm fearless.
Yeah.
Ayikho indoda ehambayo la engiyisabayo. That is why I will approach and I will not give up on the South African youth. Thuma mina. There will be an interview for Incwadi in particular.
Oh, okay.
But the comeback, I'm here.
So
and I'm in charge. Lapha kubhayo yami there's a number. I refused ukuthi bayifake online. Because I'm old school, yabo.
Yes.
I believe more in tradition. So that you can value the actual copy.
Oh.
You can have it signed and value. I mean, if you're going to put something online, they can duplicate leyo nto leyo. It loses value. Fana nengoma ungayithumela via Bluetooth. So if you've got a hard copy, you'll value leyo nto leyo. And it's signed.
Yeah.
So kune number lapha you can send a WhatsApp. And there's a couple of bookstores.
Yeah.
But I can't mention at the moment because we are trying to renew our contracts. So I don't want to give them a mileage for now. But for now, you can get it via WhatsApp and then we'll send it via Pepsi, or any courier company throughout South Africa. Yeah.
Mhlambe la kuma socials ume kanjani abafuna ukuxhumana nawe?
The Comeback. Mawufaka the Comeback lapha ku TikTok lapha yana I'm the only comeback. Mina kuphela. Engavuka ekufeni South Africa.
Wow.
That's why ngeke balunge manje. I'm back.
You're back.
And I'm in charge.
By popular demand.
I'm in charge.
Mfowethu.
Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Danko.
Ngesikhathi sa.
Yeah,
nganza wethu uvala kanjalo kuhlelo lwayo ke iDurban Network. I am your host usabele umfokandaba sinsizwa phansi le emzinto. Siyabonga ukuthi nihlale nathi kulehlelo oluwunqambothi oluyingqayizi vele sithi nje kuwena abake babonana nganza kwethu baphinde babonana. Danko.
Hammer,